The LED light in my Minka Sabot started flickering and I called and was told I needed to replace the LED light by taking the fan off and thousing, which would expose the LED light unit. Part number 6 F745 LK01. I have the light down and have removed the housing, 5 Phillips screws, but it is not clear where I go from here. Now I see 4 silver Phillips/straight screws. Do I remove those as well?
Have you replaced the light fixture or switch before? If so, how long ago?
No, at sthe original. I bought it maybe 3 years ago.
How long has this been going on with your lighting? What have you tried so far?
I've tried dimming it, but that is all.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello. Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be assisting you. Please note that you may see an offer for a phone consultation, for an additional fee. This offer is automatically generated by the website, and does not originate from me. You can ignore it, unless you would like a phone consultation. Are you able to post photos, to show the fixture and the screws you are questionable on?
Did you see the picture is sent with the text message?
Unfortunately, the photo didn't post here. If you are using a phone, photos don't translate well to this site. Are you able to access this site on a PC?
Here's the picture.
So sorry for the delay. I'm trying to wrap up a phone consultation with another customer. I'll be with you as soon as I can. Is the light fixture located on the bottom of the fan? Thank you. I see that the receiver is located in the center of the fan. It's the half-circle component that is around the shaft. The receiver may be causing the light to flicker. Did you already purchase a new light kit for the fan?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.